So first of all, we will focus on the task management. Okay, so the task management is more focused on your work order and owner complaints. Okay, I will go through one by one. Okay, this will be your task management. For your information, for those who have maybe a admin clerk ID, you only able to see few things only until customer service entry statistic 2. Okay, the rest you cannot see, but whatever the function that I explained to here, make sure you guys absorb it. Okay, so if you want to first of all, I will go through the step first. Okay, after the step, I will go into the flow. How does it work? Okay, first of all, if you want to implement the task management, first thing you have to do is you have to do some minor setup. Okay, the first setup is reporting chain. Okay, you may not find here, okay, but you may find it at system setup. Okay, this is the first thing. Make sure you guys jot down. Okay, go to the system setup, find the reporting chain. Okay, okay. The function of reporting chain is whenever the person done cancel the task to whom it will be reported. Okay, so user code, you have to choose your ID. Okay, so I will choose my staff ID. Okay, okay. First of all, I choose my staff ID. Then add. After you add, report to who. For example, once they done the job, they want to cancel the job. Okay, whatever the things regarding their work order or their owner complaints, to whom they will report. Okay, so I will choose the superior name. Save. Okay, first you have to choose the name and choose the report to username, then save. Okay, so whatever the things, like for example, Shiva cancel any task or complete any task, it will report to the Tiba. Okay, that is the first step you have to do. Wait, I saw a message here. Okay, so that's the first step. Then the second one is sorry, because our office internet quite slow today. Okay, the second one is user department setting. Okay, once you press the user department setting, this page will come out. Go to, you have to choose the staff name. Okay, so edit. For first time setup, okay, it means like first time user, your one will be empty. Okay, so if you really want to use it, you have to do the second activation, which is a user department setting. Okay, so this function, don't get confused why I do have a lot. This is my testing account, so it will be a lot. Not only I'm testing this one, my technician and programmer will use this one. Don't get confused. You guys just focus on the JMB. It's good enough. Okay. So some of them, they will have more than one property code. Okay, for you guys also will have a bit like maybe 2 or 3. Okay, so you can choose to which department that technician is belong to. Okay, so I will choose a JMB, condo, and block C. Okay, then your one just will be a JMB, MC, or RA, or either developer. Okay, after you done this one, save. That's it. Okay, then the next is task timeline. Okay, task escalation timeline. This one you have to do your own setup. But let me explain to you what is the function of the task escalation timeline. Basically, the uh, task escalation timeline is for you can set up your priority and severity here. Okay, according to your priority and severity, if the person in charge fail to do the job, it will escalate to the superior. Okay, that is the function of it. So over here, I put for the moderate and medium is a 2, means like 2 days lah. Ours one, we don't have a time, we only have a days. Okay, 1 is equal to 1 day. Okay, you can readjust it, no problem. Okay, this is just for your reference purpose. Okay, you can update the task escalation timeline according to your working environments. Okay, then update your calendar here as well. Just want Selangor ke, Perak ke, Penang ke, just update here. Okay, once you've done these two, save. Okay, so far these three setup, have you guys understand? Please do communicate with me, okay, so that I know that you guys on track.
For the severity, you have priority, low, medium, high.
Yes.
And then you have information, minor, moderate, severe.
Yes.
How are they interconnected? How do we
Means
use
how you know how does it connect to your work order? Your question
because,
is how does it?
Yes, because example your priority you have low, medium, high.
Yes.
Okay. For information, what does this mean? You have 3, you have 5, 4.
This is just for the reference. Okay, this is just a demo. You don't need to follow exactly like this. Okay.
Yeah, but we need to understand the basis for us to set up for our site also.
Okay, maybe you can put like this. It depends on your site environment. I don't know how's your site environment. What's your name?
Ramli.
Okay, I don't know how's your practice over there. Some of them maybe like a very information things lah. Very like very information complaints. Maybe you can put 5 or 3. It depends on you.
But
How does it link?
What is the purpose of
The
this?
link is what the link actually is under the operation part. We haven't go to the operation part.
Okay.
This is just a setup to let you know you can do this setup.
But then you have minor, moderate, severe. Then for me, severe is almost the same as high priority.
Which
Moderate,
one?
severe, the last column. The last column, okay. So
then you can put 1, no problem.
Okay.
That's why I tell earlier, this is just a demo. Okay, this is just we want to put some number. That's why we put the number as a demo. For this schedule, you cannot put in a live. Live means you cannot apply these days into your site. Okay, which is not practical. Okay, some of the site maybe I put like a minor, the moderate 2 days. Some of them they won't even want 2 days. They want to done it as soon as possible. Correct? Well, that one you can put 1.
Okay.
So for today training, you just put some assumption first. This will be a training. Okay,
Okay.
so you guys as a site staff, you must, whatever the thing I teach you, you must know on how you want to apply to your site. Because every site, they have a very, very different story. Okay, you try to think, okay, how you want to implement this one, how you want to reschedule it to your work, and working environment. Okay.
But later you will give example, is it?
Yeah, later I will give an example on how does
Okay.
it, where you want to put at the, for this thing, where you will put.
Okay.
But my advice is make sure your task must follow your site environment. Okay, not this one. This is just for
Yeah.
training.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, clear?
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Then we already done 3 steps. Okay. How about the rest? Usna tadi join lambai. You okay? Okay. Then next we will focus on the other setup. Okay. This one. System option setting. So the system option setting is over here for first time user. This is for first time user. For first time user, okay, for those who haven't do the setup for this, you will have event type is preset. Okay, event type is a subject of the complaint. Okay, for example, let's say you want to do okay, I take it in this way. If you want to write down an email, you must have a subject. The same thing, if you want to update your resident complaints, you must have a subject. This event type is preset by the system. If you guys want to add on the event type, you guys can add on by yourself. Should be no problem. Okay. How are you going to add on? Okay, look at here. You have a 3 dot box here. Press this 3 dot box. Once you press, here you can put, I put like add revamping. Okay, you can put anything. Okay, maybe over here at CSS one event type, you only have a leaking, only standard one leaking. Maybe you want to put different type of leaking. Can, no problem. Just play around. Okay, no problem with it. So put the app revamping and add. Okay, once you press add, it will auto go to the, in this box, it will auto go to this box. Okay, then exit. The second one, defect code. Okay, same goes to the defect code. Normally defect code will be like a repair ke, maintenance ke, servicing ke. Okay, so you can update by yourself. This one is not preset. Okay, you have to update by yourself. How are you going to update? Again, the same step. This one. Here you can put okay, I just put test. Okay, you can put maintenance ke, whatever the things are related to your maintenance code, you just update. Okay, the next, okay, these four, okay, these four you have to do your own setup. Okay, again, follow your working environment. Okay, the bulletin here, don't do anything. Okay, the bulletin here just for the CSS. Okay, is not to the clients. Okay, so I will explain one by one. This one, send an email when directing CSE, stand for customer service entry, or work order task to other user, which means whenever you assign a job to them, once you select this option, it will go to the email address. Okay, whenever you, okay, let me explain to you. Some of them will have a question, how we want to update the email. Okay, add the user code there. Okay, this one will done by the for those who have a higher level ID. Okay, this is just for your information. I'm sharing some information. Okay. Okay, so for the email, whenever the higher level people want to create the ID, they will put your email address over there. If they update your email address under your user code, okay, when they select this one, whatever the job you receive, first thing you will receive in the CSS web, this one, okay, this web, either at the email, okay. Then this one, display customer contact in CSC, access from personal organizer, whether you want to display your client contact to your staff or not. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, and then whether your staff can edit the event type in customer service entry or work order. Okay, again, this one is up to your side. Okay, I just let them to edit. Okay, for your information, this thing is not linked to the property managements. Okay, and then uh the last one, close automatically when the task mark completed by authorized person, whether it means like whether they can close the task by their own self, either they need someone authorized person. Okay, only that. Okay, so that's all for the setup. Have you guys understand for the setup part? You may drop your comments at the chat box there so that I know you guys on track. So I will take it that everyone understand. Okay, then the second we will focus on the operation part. Okay, the first thing is customer service entry. Okay, so over here you can see we do have a two function here. One is the customer service entry, and then the another one is a work order. Okay, so I will suggest you for customer service entry, you focus on the owner complaints, your residents complaint. Work order, okay, I tell you the differences lah. Okay, work order, if let's say you have some work, you normally, for example, let's say you want your admin girl to do admin girl, admin boy to do some work, means you will tell verbally. Okay, if you tell verbally, they might forget. Okay, to avoid this kind of thing, we do have a work order. Okay, I will go one by one. Okay, first, okay, I will tell you, I will teach you in one scenario lah. Okay, first of all, if your resident, your clients, they walk in to the complaint, okay, the first thing you have to do is go to the task management here. Okay, then go to the customer service entry. Okay, so then what you have to do is add. Okay, after you add, choose the property code. Okay, then lot number, you can type, either you just can press B or you can search from here. Okay, okay, I want to let you all know, if for Miss A, this is the owner, is a Miss A ma. Okay, if the tenant they want to do the complaint, you guys can update the tenant contact over here, no problem. Okay, because the owner name still will be happier over here. Okay, same goes to the contact number. Media is a source of complaint. How you receive their complaints? I put login. If you guys don't have, still you able to add on from here. Three dot box. Press here, just type and add. That's it. Okay, the same step. Okay, then I put visit to management office now. It's working. Defect code. Okay, maybe a repair lah. Okay, defect code maybe I put lobby C. Okay, event type maybe dia punya lift sudah rosak. Okay, I put lift repair. Then kat sini the description you all letak lah what is the description it is. Okay, for sure your resident they will have like a long story to be updated. Okay, you can put maybe a lift of service ke. Okay, whatever the things lah. Okay, I just know about the leaf and everything lah. But what I know is they do have a lot of complaints. I just put what I know. Okay. Then, okay, log history. You guys have to focus on these two only, not the others. Okay. Log history means when you press the log history, you can view that owner dia buat berapa complaint. Okay. Debtor account, you can see whether that fellow is a defaulter or not. Okay. And then, okay, Mr. Ramli, this is for you. Just now you asked me for the task escalation timeline. Okay. And then here you can see we have a severity and priority. Okay. So they can choose. This complaint is a very severe or with like severe in a high or severe in a minority. Okay, you can choose. Okay, maybe I just put severe, high priority. Okay, so okay. Okay, so you don't ask me how should I inform to my staff. I will suggest you all the task escalation, the timeline, right? Once you set up, maybe you just can print, update at your management office lah. Okay, clear? Then what you have to do is this. We are in a very important process. Most of our client, even though after the training, cepat lupa. Malaysian people cepat lupa. To avoid this one, okay, please focus. Please focus. Save. After you save only, you can attach the file, image, or assign to someone. Without save, you cannot assign to anyone. Okay? Make sure take note on this. Kalau tak save, then you don't come and call to CSS. Saya tak save, can you save for me? Without save, it won't capture into the server. You have first thing, you have to save, then only you can assign. Okay? At assigning, you choose to whom that you want to assign. Okay? Action. Action, you can put target date. Here still you can give a deadline for them lah, but the system will do the auto escalation from here. Okay, maybe I letak 28 lah. It's okay. I just put 27 to the date lah. Okay, this is the message. This message is communication with the person who key in the complaint and to whom you assign. For now, me, myself, okay, Tiba, okay, we communicate with the Shiva through this message box. Okay, you can put anything lah. Okay, then you just submit. Okay, after submit, these people will receive a notification. Okay, if they have an app, they will receive in the app. If they log in into the web, they will receive in a web. Okay, so now I will show you on how they will receive. Okay, I will lock out this one. Okay, so you see here, once I log in, system will always notify you. Okay, system will notify you that you have a task. What you have to do is you have to press OK. After that, you can see there's some color changes at the inbox here. Okay, press this one, go into inbox. So I would like to explain something on this first before I go to the inbox. Whatever the message you send out, okay, I show again. Okay, whatever the work order of honor complaint customer service entry you send out will be under the outbox. Okay, inbox, whatever the things you receive. Okay, actually the concept is similar like our emails lah. Okay, the message I typed in just now, the communication between me and my staff is under message. Okay, just for your information. Okay, so that you won't get confused. Okay, go to the inbox. Give me a minute. Okay, so you can see this is the complaint that I sent to my staff. Right? I'm using my staff ID here. Okay, so they can press. Okay, they can see they still can send message to you. Okay, they still able to attach image, but make sure the image at the inside the PC so that they can attach. Okay, they can view all the things they can do. Okay, exit. If they already done their job. Okay, they are done. Okay, select. Then I will suggest you all only to use task complete. Okay, just task complete. Here the message they can put. Okay, done. If they attach image, they can put attach your image. Okay, here not necessary for you to type in English. You want to type in Malay, no problem. Okay, can. You want to type in a very normal language also can, means like very like easy English ke, no problem, can, as long uh, don't use like a not easy words lah, macam bad word, don't ever use it, because whenever you want to extract the report, whatever the message you write down here, they can see in the report. Okay, make sure you add on some polite words lah. Okay, then submit. Okay, once they submit, it will auto update to the person that sent the complaint to you, means like it will go to the management girl. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I will log in into the mine. Okay. Okay, here is the message. I see. Job already completed. Okay. Clear this process? Hello.
Sorry, Sulaiman here.
Yeah, Sulaiman.
Okay, just a few questions. So, if let's say we have 5 technician here, so we need to register 5 technician in the CSS to register the user for them lah, correct?
Yes, if you still have a, okay, for one side, we will give a 10 user ID. Okay, if let's say you have a free space of ID, you can create. Okay,
if we reach max, then no, cannot.
if you reach max means cannot. If you want to add on, there will be extra charges for technician ID, monthly 3 ringgit.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So or else you can do like this. If you say you have a 5 technician. Hello?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So for sure, even though if a 5 technician, they will be a supervisor, right?
Yep.
Maybe you can register the supervisor ID.
Only lah.
Yeah, so it's easy for supervisor also. He also can monitor and he also can escalate the task to their technicians. No?
Yep, understood. Okay, thank
Actually,
you.
you are from which side? You are from which side?
Pen Vista?
Oh, Pen Vista. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. Then next, so I assume that everyone is understand. Okay, the next I will go to the work order. Before I enter to the work order, I want to explain one thing. Okay. Okay, for your information, your client, they can make a complaint from the e-community itself. Okay, this one is later part. Okay, so which means they do have 2 channels. One is from the e-community, the another one is the task management. The differences is if the resident, the owners they do the complaint from a e-community, they can view your communication between the technician. If they straight away walk in, call in that you update into the task management here, they cannot see the communications. Then the differences. Okay. So the next, we move to the work order. Okay. This is the work order. Okay. So the work order, as I mentioned, this one you can assign job to your staff. Okay. So what you have to do is, first thing, add. Okay. Choose the property code. You don't need to choose a property code also lah. Since you just want to assign to your staff if you want to choose also can, no problem. Then subject, I put a default list. Okay. Event type, I put like a general law because this is an office work. So I just will put description. Okay, can be anything. Okay, let's say your building manager, he walking around, suddenly he saw lift ada breakdown ke, atau lobby punya lampu dah spoil ke, you want to use the work order to assign job to technician also can. Okay, try to utilize it on the maximum. Okay, so don't get scared to start it. Once you start it, then you will know how does it benefit for yourself. Okay, just play around. Okay, then the defect, you can choose, since this one is inside the office, I don't want to choose no. If outside like any defect, you guys just can choose one. Okay, then again you can choose the severity and priority of the job. Okay, then after that again put a reminder to yourself. After you save only, you can assign to someone. Okay, actually this process are the same thing. Okay, actually the customer service entry and then the work order almost the similar, just the difference is for your client, another one is for the management internal. Okay, only that. Then here add assignee, you can put the target date, you can put some message and submit. Okay, if you want to put someone observer, can also just put the observer name. Okay, and then just submit. That's it. Okay, again will be a same process, exactly like a customer service entry. You have to log in into your staff will log in into the web. Okay, from there they will complete the task. Okay, clear these two operation. These two is a most important for the operation part. Okay, if you guys these two already dah understand, is memang betul-betul is like good enough for you, because this is a very like a basic thing. Any question for customer service entry and work order? Feel free to ask.
Excuse me.
Sorry?
For the work order,
Yes.
any way we can add photo for the
Yeah, you can
work
attach
done?
image. Yeah, they can attach image.
Just click on add.
Yep, just press add, choose file from your PC.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, so I take it everyone is understand. So now I will move to the reporting part. Okay, the first thing is the report. I will suggest you all to use the work order dashboard, because the work order dashboard is like more easy. Okay, quite straightforward lah. Okay, so you can see here status date range. Over here we put 1. Okay, so 1 is 10 for 1 day. Okay, I letak 30. You can see here on this 30 hari we do have a 13 new event. Okay, this is a total for everything here. 1 is a completed, overdue is a 122, and in progress is a 6. Okay, now I want to view the in progress. Can, how you want to do that? Okay, press this number. Once you press, you can see. Okay, this is a number of the document number for the work order. Okay, press. Okay, you see this one, office account is already spoiled, seems me, but there's no one taking care of it. From here, you can assign to someone also. Can, no problem one. How you going to do that? Okay, add assignee. Okay, action date. You can, I will adjust lah. Okay, kat sini the message you can write down, because for sure they will ask you why the entry date is on May. After 5 months only you want to find me. Okay, you can put maybe like previous person is already resigned ke, nobody taking care ke, whatever the thing, just update here and submit. Okay, so this is how you will look your work order dashboard. And then another one is task listing. Okay. Task listing is a quite pretty forward. How are you going to use this one? Is okay. Here we do have a period type. Okay, daily, monthly, or date range. I like to use a monthly. I choose a monthly. Then I will choose here. If a date range means you can choose from which date to which date. Okay, I just choose monthly long. Then here I want to view on a July. Here we do have a combine. Combine means system will combine the report for the work order and customer service entry. Some of them, they not prefer combine. They want separate report. Then you can just choose which one you need. You need the customer service entry or work order. I choose a combine. Then submit. Okay, so this will be the full report together with the action log. Okay, the reason why I say if let's say you want to write down the message, put in a nice word because it will appear here under the message here. Okay, you can see what is the status when they completed, who's the person in charge. Okay, when the date entry, assigned to whom, all the details you can view from here. If you need to print this one, okay, no problem. Go to the print here. Okay, and then you just can print the report. Okay, clear this one? Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, give me a minute. I think my internet is quite slow. I need to reset it. Kejap. Okay, for the departmental task listing ni, okay, you guys can view. You guys can view the who received work order, work order apa yang diorang receive, everything you can monitor from here. Okay. Then the last one, task listing done, right? Task listing done. The last one, task escalation listing. Over here, the task escalation listing, you can view which task is escalated to you. Okay. Okay. For example, let's say according to that task escalation timeline kan, kalau dia fail to attend that job according to the task escalation timeline, here where you can find the listing. Okay. So far for task management A to Z, everyone clear? Please respond so that I know you guys are focusing. Asari Usna, you okay? Okay, so I will take it everyone clear. So the next I will move to the preventive. Okay, preventive maintenance is more focused for your servicing part. Okay, for your equipments lah. Okay, quite straightforward. Okay. Okay, the first thing is what you have to do is auto work order planner. Okay. So for the auto work order planner, the function is, okay, for let's say you have a servicing, okay, maybe like swimming pool servicing ke, lift servicing ke, whatever the servicing lah, not only the servicing, any renewal. Okay, for current practice, most of you, I believe, you all will update at the whiteboard. Okay, whenever I go to the management office, I can see one huge whiteboard there. They will list down all the dates, servicing dates. Okay, then things, what you have to do is you just can update into the system here. Okay, when you update into the system will keep on remind you. For example, for Mr. Woon, he do have upcoming servicing on next month. Today itself, you can put a reminder for you. So when the date is reached, the system will remind you, hey, Mr. Woon, you have this type of task, blah, blah, blah. Okay, how are we going to implement this one? The first thing is here, add. Okay, event type is a subject, maybe a tenancy renewal. Okay, the item description, I just put testing. Training tests. Okay, category by this one may be like a general works. Okay, if category yours one is a 0, you want to add on, again the same process, 3 dot box, just add. Whenever you see 3 dot box, it means you can add on. Okay, then technician by internal or external, I just put internal people. Okay, for this one, equipment code no need. Equipment code only needed when you want to do servicing for your equipments. This one later on I will teach you how you want to update this one. Okay, location, you just can put lah, since this one is a office work, you just can put office lah. Let's say kalau you pilih kat sini event type is a tree trimming, means maybe the location you can put like the garden ke, okay, whatever the things lah. Time scale, okay, focus on this one. Choose year. Okay, time scale means I put year, frequency 1. It means inner here, once system will keep on remind you. Okay, the time base I will put 1st of December 2020. Okay, first it will remind you on the 1st of December. After that, next year again the 1st of December 2021, system will keep on remind me. Okay, then here I will tell you just go on with the task carry forward. It means whenever the task fall on working days, sorry, non-working days, if you choose task carry forward, it will remind you on during your working days lah. Okay, then this one, assigned by department. Choose your department code. Okay, my one is a JMB. Assigned by user, I'm the user. Okay, I will assign to someone. This one, assign to department. Choose to whom that you want to assign this job. Okay, for example, let's say Mr. Woon want to assign this job to Sulaiman Ken. If Mr. Ramley want to assign this job to your staff Lin Ken, no problem. Okay, then I just choose my staff name here and then save. That's it. Okay, it will already go to somewhere. Next page. Okay, it will be here. Okay, so this is all my upcoming servicing one. Okay, clear this one?
For renewal,
Yes.
for renewal, can we set the reminder to be earlier? Maybe
Can,
one
no
month.
problem.
How is it done?
Then you just, okay, for example, let's say your renewal date is on 13 November. So at the time base here, maybe you have to update at the time base. Okay, for example, let's say your renewal is 11th of November. Maybe you can put over here the time base 1st of November.
Okay.
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 So I will suggest you, if let's say you want to do the servicing or any renewal on that day, don't put that date to remind lah. You can put some earlier date. Okay, just for precautions. So this auto work order planner clear. All understand means you just can say understand.
Sorry, I got a question.
Yes.
Sulaiman here.
Yes, Sulaiman.
Okay, because I checked with my ID here, I cannot access to this work order planner. So does that mean I will need to?
Okay, what it show?
It shows here equipment register, equipment servicing, service contract.
Okay, so
the
you cannot
operation
view. Okay, which means you cannot see work order planner and work order flowchart, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so it might be your ID is restricted.
Restricted.
Yeah. So who is your person in charge for the ID?
I think our accounts.
So you can actually Pan, you start from under which property managers?
Jadi harta urusan.
Sorry.
Jadi harta urusan, I think.
Okay. Okay. So you can refer to your accountant to ask to open the function for auto work order planner.
I see. Okay. Can. Thank you.
Either you can ask from them or from your authorized email address, you drop email to our technical department.
Okay, understood.
Okay,
Thank
to
you.
open the function. Later I will send you have technician email address?
Yes, I think so.
You cannot see things so.
Yeah, confirm. Ada. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good.
Ada. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's all for the auto work order planner. Now we will focus on the auto work order flowchart. Okay. So for the auto work order flowchart, here we can trace lah. Okay, we can trace task mana yang kita dah siap, task mana yang kita tak siap. Okay, everything you can trace from here. I prefer month. Okay, I will choose month. First date point to from when to when you want to see the details. Okay, here maybe I will choose 2025 until 2020 May. Where's my May? I make it June lah, more longer. So here I have a general maintenance, office and servicing. Okay, this category it will come out according to your setup at the planner there. Okay, so I just will put if I didn't put anything here means I just put this white color means it randomly will come out everything. Okay, so for color indication already stated here. Okay, the teal color is the schedule. Okay, yellow is a in progress, blue completed, red is a cancel. Okay, okay. Now IN is stand for internal technician, EX stand for external technician. Okay, so from here for your information from here we cannot send to the third party. Okay, this is just for your internal. Okay, so tengok kat sini the May 1 servicing I maybe okay this one you see the trim tree at the clubhouse since February nobody clean it. Okay, so that one is a yellow color still under progress and is already escalate to the higher person. Okay, from here you can assign to someone, no problem. Okay, I just will choose my staff name. Okay, date. Then you can put why you assign to them. Okay, after 8 months only you want to find them. You just put the reasons, no? And then submit. Okay, so clear? Okay, clear. Then we go to the equipment register. Okay, equipment register, this one is for your equipment details. You can keep the equipment details over here. Okay, maybe for example, let's say you all ada new lift ke, atau new printer ke, or new aircon ke, whatever the things lah, you want to keep the details inside the system. Okay, you just can update here. This is just for your tracking purpose lah. Okay, so how you going to do that? First, add equipment code. You have to create by your own, but make sure create a code everyone can understand that. Okay, if you don't put a code which is understand for yourself, okay, make sure you create according to everyone understand. So I will put AC is an account. It's a account or the training. Then maybe I put level 5. Okay, this is the code. And then kat sini I boleh letak what is the equipment type. This is a aircon. If your one is empty, again, kalau nampak aja that 3 dot box, it means you can add on. Okay, brand, letaklah brand apa. Okay, kalau ada serial number, just update. Who's the manufacturer, who is the product dealer. If you have all the details, you can update. Okay, kalau tak ada, you just have the few things, you just update the few things. Okay, even though kalau you update few things only, system still will capture the details. Okay, and then maybe this one I bought on the 1st of October. Okay, And then harga dia berapa? Maybe about 5,000. Okay. Kalau ada warranty letaklah lifespan dia bila. This one operational ke, write off ke. Where's the location? Level 5 training room. Okay. Then remarks. Okay. Whatever the things regarding this aircon, you just can update here. Okay. Then save. After you save only, you can attach image of it, either attach file. Okay, so attach file means maybe kalau you ada dia punya warranty ke, kalau dia ada punya certificate ke, just update here. Okay, in future kalau nak trace balik, just boleh trace dari sini sahaja. So it's easy for everyone lah. You don't need to go and find the files. Okay, from here you can get it. Okay, clear?
When we attach the file, what is the limit, the size of the file?
The size of the file?
Yeah, how many?
300 MB. But make sure you attach in a you scan and will attach, right?
Yeah.
So it won't take a big size lah. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
You are Ramli, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then after we done that one, then we go for the equipment servicing. Okay. Equipment service, this one is a plus minus similar like the work order. Okay. So, but this one normally we will use for the preventive details lah. Okay. So, how does it work? Okay. Let's say your lift breakdown. Okay. So, sekarang kalau lift breakdown, you all just hantar message dekat WhatsApp group dekat technician sana. Okay, the same thing, but this one is a more in a professional way lah. Okay, at least you have something to track back. Okay, how are you going to do that? First, add equipment code. Saya akan letak, okay, katakan saya ada aircon baru this month. Tengok-tengok dah spoil. Where's my new aircon? Okay lah, this one, aircon level 5. Okay, then kat sini saya letak event type. Maybe saya punya aircon dah rosak. Just put okay lah, just put general first lah. Okay, you can choose. Okay, you can choose which is related to your site. Okay, then you can put aircon sport. Okay, then severity and priority. Maybe I even severe, high. Okay, kalau ada estimate cost tu letaklah berapa estimate cost for it. Okay, then save. You can attach image. Okay, then you choose lah assign to department mana kita nak assign, and then target date, put the message. After that, submit. Tu sahaja. How they will receive? Again, the same process that I showed in earlier. Okay, clear? Okay, good. So the last one for preventive. Okay, service contract. Okay, service contract ni you can update your service provider details just for your reference also. How are we going to update? First, add equipment code. Okay, sekarang kan bulan ni saya ada beli new aircon for level 5, and then I akan letaklah siapa dia punya service contract dia. Okay, kalau ada acong sendirian berhad, letak je acong sendirian berhad. So on. Okay, berapa the contract sum? Okay, maybe 10,000. I just put the 10,000 here. When they will start servicing? Maybe first of so on to which date? Okay, maybe until end of 2021 lah. Okay. Then reference number is their registered numbers lah. Okay. Evaluation score ni berapa markah you all nak bagi kat dia. Katakan it is not good, you just can put 2 ke 3 ke. If you are satisfied with their servicing, maybe you can put 9 ke 8 ke. They're excellent, then you can put 10 lah. Nanti I just put 8. Remarks, maybe you can put some their contact number ke, anything details here, you can put the remarks. Okay, even you just can make it the boxer more bigger, means you can write down more things. Okay, then save. Itu sahaja. Clear for preventive maintenance.
So for the service contract, will it like pop up a message when it will expire or what?
Once it's expired, it will pop up.
Once it's expired, meaning if today, let's say the expiry date is on 28, so it will pop up on the 28 lah, is it?
Yes, correct.
Oh. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So clear for preventive? If you all clear, I will move to the purchasing. Okay, then I will move to the purchasing. Okay, so for the purchasing, this one is the online approval purchasing. Okay, so if you want to implement I will teach you in a two way. Some of our clients, they will use in a manual way. Some of them, they will use it in a online. Okay, so if you want to use in online, normally the one will approve the purchase requisition is a committee member. If your committee member have access to the purchasing, they can approve. Okay, if they don't have, you want to go manually also can. It's up to you. Okay, the option is there. It's up to you how you want to use it. But if you want to implement the online one, you have to do some setup, minor setup. Okay, first, system option setting. Okay, you have to find if you have a discount number. Okay, discount number means some of the vendor they akan bagi discount. Okay, so you have to update this number. This number you have to find from your account department. Okay, you guys please jot down. Okay, you can find at the chart of account. Okay, at the financial accounting there's a chart of account. Under the chart of account, you can find this number. Okay, and this one, maybe I can show you now. You can find here, chart of account, number 6. Sorry, 7. You will find over here. Okay, at the chart of account, number 6. So this will be the 6th one now. Okay, and then after that, here, officer approval limit. Okay, so each officer dia punya limitation for approval. For example, like Okay, for example, any approval limit, for example, you can put 10,000, which means this fellow only can approve for 10,000 punya PR sahaja. Okay? It's up to your practitioner. Then user approval setting. Okay, here you can choose like 3 approval settings lah. But for now, I only will show one. Okay, the user code must be the user code of the people who issue the PR. Okay, so I delete this one first. Okay, so this is the user ID and approved by who? Tiba. Okay, don't bother for the chalk. Okay, the chalk one just don't put in your mind, because later on I'm not going to use his ID. I only will use the Tiba ID. So whatever the PR Shiva issued, it will goes to the Tiba. Okay, then wait, I delete this name first. Tiba. Okay, so now will be okay. Okay, so I only want to show you one person. Okay, then now for the setup part, you all clear or not? I think this setup is a quite straightforward. Hello, peoples. Clear? Is everyone there? Okay. Then now I want to issue the PR. Okay, so I will log in into the different ID to issue the PR. Okay, so the first thing is go to the purchasing. Okay, then go to the PR. Then add. Okay, don't go to the supplier code. For sure you get confused. Okay, I know you all cannot remember the code is belong to which vendor. I will suggest you go to the party name here. Okay, this party name is already updated into the financial accounting. It is linked to the financial accounting as well. Okay, maybe I put Jeff Sendrian Berhad. Product name, I just put again, this all is updated at the financial accounting there, at the chart of account sana. Okay, maybe apa saya nak beli? Kat sini channel. Maybe a general expenses lah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mr. Woon, are you want to ask question? Hello. If you don't want to ask question means you can mute. I will mute first for yours. Okay. So here I did choose a product name here. Item description, you can put apa yang you all nak beli dekat Jeff Sendrian Berhad. Okay, maybe I want to buy new sofa, red sofa. Okay, quantity maybe 2,000 ringgit ke satu sofa. Save. Okay, after save, okay, you look at this first. I want to buy 2 product from the Jeff. Okay, you want to buy 2 ke 10, you can add on. How you going to add? Save and add. 1 PR you only can create for one vendor, but in one vendor you can add how many items you want to buy from there. Okay, the next one also say general, maybe an office table, two, and then maybe it's a 500. Okay, save. Okay, then you confirm save. If any remarks put here, okay, then save. Okay, you see here, after you save, you can attach file. You can attach your quotation over here. Okay, then here you can see at my right side here, there's an approval chain, this one. Press this approval chain. Okay, then message. This is how you will submit your request to your approval person. Okay, you can put some messages here, please approve the whatever the things. Okay, then just submit. That's it, it's already submitted to TIBA. Then log out. Okay, so now the approval person will log in. Okay, after login, I will straight go to the inbox. You can see there's a RQ is a purchase request lah. Then you can see whether you want to approve or reject, it's up to you. I just approve. Okay, once you approve, system will auto issue the PO. See? Okay. Then I already approved. Then that people, he will log in back. Okay. After he get approval, again he will receive this type of notification. Okay, the same notification. Okay. Then after that, go to the purchasing first. Once you go to the purchasing, second, this is the after approval method. Go to the purchase order and party name, choose a Jeff Sendrian Berhad. Okay, you have to choose your same vendor lah. Then after that, go to the purchase request. You can see here, there's a one purchase request. Select that one. Okay, you can see here, it's already approved. Once approved only, it will come here. Next, is already stated here. Then save. Your PO is ready. Okay, then print. Okay, you see here, we do have a standard one. This is standard. Okay, if you want to add on some note over here, no problem. You can drop an email to our technical department. Okay, understand for purchasing? Clear? Okay, so now you guys can take 5-minute breaks. 7-minute breaks lah. I will start at 11.40. Okay, but I won't shut down the screen. Okay, make sure 11:40 everyone is here. Okay, if anything, you guys can inform me at the group there. Clear? Okay. So after 7 minutes, come back.